Welcome to Auto Nation Carriage, your go-to source for all things automotive. In this video, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Q7, a luxury SUV that continues to impress with its blend of performance, technology, and sophistication. The 2025 Audi Q7 is a highly anticipated model in the world of premium SUVs. It brings a mix of elegance, performance, and practicality that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Audi's Q7 is known for its comfortable ride and advanced features, and this latest iteration keeps up with that tradition while introducing some exciting upgrades. Under the hood, the 2025 Q7 offers a choice of powerful engines. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces around 335 horsepower, which ensures a smooth and responsive drive. For those looking for more power, there's the SQ7 variant, which comes with a 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 500 horsepower, making it capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. Both engines are paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring excellent handling and stability in all conditions. Inside, the 2025 Audi Q7 offers a luxurious cabin that's designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The interior features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodates 7 passengers across 3 rows, making it an ideal choice for families. The second and third rows can be folded down to increase cargo space, offering versatility for different needs. The seats are supportive, and there's ample legroom for adults in all rows, making long drives more enjoyable. Technology is a strong point for the Q7, as it comes equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a pair of large touchscreen displays. The system is intuitive and easy to use, with features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. There's also a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more, ensuring that both the driver and passengers are protected on the road. The 2025 Audi Q7 also boasts impressive driving dynamics. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Q7 feels composed and confident. The available air suspension allows for a smooth and comfortable ride, while the dynamic steering and responsive handling make it enjoyable to drive. As for fuel efficiency, the Q7 performs reasonably well for a vehicle of its size and power. The base V6 engine achieves an estimated 18 mpg in the city and 23 mpg on the highway, while the SQ7 with the V8 engine offers slightly lower figures, around 15 mpg city and 21 mpg highway. In conclusion, the 2025 Audi Q7 is a well-rounded luxury SUV that combines performance, comfort, and technology. It's a strong contender in its class, offering a premium driving experience that's hard to beat. If you're considering an upgrade to a luxury SUV, the Audi Q7 should definitely be on your list. For more car reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to Auto Nation Carriage and stay tuned for more content.